Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. Hope you people are doing good. Do you want to know about SD Core shop reviews? If yes, then watch this unbiased review that will help you to decide either you should shop from this store or not. It is an online departmental store based in China, known for its extensive ranging product collection at quite reasonable rates. The store has departments like winter collection, Christmas decor, roller skates, plush toys, arts and craft, gift ideas with decoration light, orthopedic shoes, Halloween decor, summer water sports gears, and much more. These products are with bright and big pictures with point-wise elaboration can give you option to add to cart or instant buy. Most of the products are available on discounted rates. Let's check out the specification of this website. They have shared their email address, physical address, and contact detail have been shared. HTTPS secured website. For delivery, they need 10 to 20 days for United States, and for other countries it takes 14 to 30 days. If you want to return the product, you have 7 working days after you receive the product. They are delivering all over the world, including United Kingdom, France, Norway, Malaysia, Germany, America. The positive point of the website are like people can get to see a broad variety of products under one roof. While checking the customer reviews, we found that it is shipping worldwide. The products are placed in proper department for the betterment of the shopping experience. Several payout systems are available. Negative point of the website are custom charge detail are not disclosed. Being present for about 1 year, it has not gained much popularity. Trust score is horrible. Promotion is not done on community platform. Reviews aren't available. Plagiarism is present, which is also not good sign. So the question is, the website is trustable or not? So let's check out the detail. When we check out the address, it is not correct. Few reviews are available for this website. It was created on 17th November 2020 and it will expire right after next year, 17 November 2022. Its social media links are inactive. Its account on community media has not been shared. Plagiarism is up to 75%. As we all know that customer reviews are a great help for us. So once check out the detail for customer review, we found that there are no reviews available, and the main reason is that we can't disclose the comment. Rating section is non-clickable. Such are the rating that we could not check all the detail. Moreover, being online for around 1 year, the credibility is still low and no remarks are present on other sites. So in our final verdict, we can say that the website is not trustworthy. You must stay away from this store. And if you have personal experience of shopping from this store, please share your views and experience. And after discussing all the detail, if you again want to shop from this store, we recommend you it's better to shop from some legit store. And if you are interested from this website, you must make a thorough research again on your own behalf before making and investing your money from such suspicious website.